You're not lazy. You're not broken. And you're not weak. Your mind isn't failing you. It was never trained. Every urge to scroll, every abandoned goal, every hour lost to distraction. This isn't a motivation problem. It's a discipline problem. Most people assume focus is natural, that some people are just lucky with attention. But the Stoics knew better. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you seek tranquility, do less, but do it better." Focus is not talent, it's a skill, and like any skill, it must be trained. Distraction doesn't look dangerous, it looks normal. You scroll again, jump from task to task, thought to thought, emotion to emotion. By the end of the day, you feel exhausted, but nothing meaningful is done. Imagine building mental clarity the way a Stoic built discipline. Every moment intentional, every action deliberate, every thought under control. That's possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, you'll learn 8 Stoic habits that destroy distraction and rebuild unbreakable focus permanently. These aren't just tips, they're mental rules practiced for centuries by Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. If you apply them, your attention will no longer be stolen. Your life will no longer feel chaotic. Before we begin, drop this in the comments as your first affirmation. I reclaim my attention. Number 1. Control what you can. Most people spend their energy on things they cannot influence, and that is why their minds feel scattered, exhausted, and overwhelmed. They worry about outcomes, guess what others think, or obsess over circumstances beyond their reach. You might find yourself stressing over a delayed message, a project that went wrong, or someone's reaction to your words. These are all things outside your power. Yet most of us allow them to dominate our thoughts and dictate our emotions. Epictetus reminded us, some things are up to us, and some things are not. This simple truth is the cornerstone of mental clarity and emotional resilience. You cannot force events to go your way, and you cannot control how others behave. But you can master your response. You can choose the quality of your thoughts, the effort you invest, and the principles by which you live. Start by identifying exactly what belongs to you, your actions, your decisions, your attention. Everything else is a distraction. When you focus solely on what you can shape, your mind stops leaking energy into chaos. Your mental space becomes quiet, steady, and unshakable. Begin today with one small action. Notice when worry arises about something outside your control. Pause, breathe, and redirect attention to what you can influence. Even if circumstances remain challenging, your inner world remains calm. Over time, this builds unstoppable focus, unbreakable discipline, and the mental strength to handle any situation. Affirm to yourself and drop it in the comments, I act within control. Repeat it daily and watch your mind shift from reactive to intentional, from scattered to powerful, from distracted to completely focused. Number 2, do one thing at a time. Modern life teaches us that multitasking is productivity, but in reality, it is the fastest route to distraction, shallow thinking, and wasted effort. When you split your attention between multiple tasks, your brain constantly shifts gears, losing clarity, momentum, and focus with every interruption. The Stoics understood the power of presence, knowing that real strength comes from dedicating yourself fully to the action at hand. Marcus Aurelius said, concentrate every minute like a Roman, like a man, on doing what's in front of you with precise and genuine seriousness. Applying this today means giving complete attention to one task, one thought, or one responsibility at a time. When you write an email, focus entirely on crafting it perfectly. When you read, immerse in the ideas without checking your phone. Even a simple conversation deserves full engagement. Each split second spent jumping between distractions erodes your energy and weakens your ability to think deeply, plan wisely, or act decisively. Focus is not about doing more, it is about doing better. Over time, cultivating the habit of single-minded attention trains your mind to resist impulses, ignore irrelevant noise, and prioritize meaning over busyness. Your work becomes sharper, your decisions more precise, and your life gradually gains a rhythm of discipline rather than chaos. Begin by choosing one small task today, commit fully, and notice the difference in mental clarity. Repeat this habit consistently, and you will develop unstoppable concentration, unwavering control, and a calm, powerful mind. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I focus completely. Make it a daily practice, and your attention will become unbreakable. Number 3, remove urgency. Most people live as if every moment is a crisis, reacting instantly, rushing decisions, and letting panic dictate their actions. But true mental clarity emerges only when urgency is discarded. Urgency is a silent thief of reason, stealing energy, focus, and calm, turning simple tasks into overwhelming pressures that cloud judgment. The Stoics understood that the world moves according to its own rhythm, and impatience only produces frustration. Seneca warned, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it in hurry." Each time you rush, you are letting fleeting stress control your mind instead of guiding your actions deliberately. By slowing down, taking deliberate breaths, and responding thoughtfully, you create a space for rational decision-making, ensuring that every action aligns with purpose rather than panic. This principle applies to traffic, workplace deadlines, emails, and social interactions. Observe how often you feel urgency over something that ultimately does not matter in the long term. By consciously rejecting the illusion of immediate threat, you train your mind to remain calm, measured, and strategic. Over time, the absence of urgency strengthens patience, builds composure, and prevents wasted energy on trivial matters. Life becomes less reactive and more intentional, with each choice made from reason instead of impulse. Start today by pausing before any hasty reaction, noticing the unnecessary tension urgency creates, and making a deliberate decision instead. This small habit compounds into profound control over attention, actions, and emotions. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I act deliberately. Consistent practice removes mental chaos and restores focus like nothing else. Number 4, embrace discomfort. Comfort is the silent enemy of strength, lulling the mind into passivity while leaving potential untapped. But growth, resilience, and control are forged in moments that challenge and stretch you. The Stoics recognized that true power emerges not from ease, but from voluntary struggle. Repeated exposure to situations that demand endurance, patience, and courage. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body," emphasizing that every hardship is an opportunity to fortify character and sharpen focus. Cold showers, disciplined workouts, deliberate silence, fasting, and tackling unpleasant tasks without avoidance are simple practices that train your mind to remain unshaken when discomfort arises naturally. When you intentionally step into challenging moments, the mind learns that fear, resistance, and avoidance are optional, and clarity replaces chaos. Daily life is full of minor irritations, delays, criticism, and obstacles, and those who have practiced discomfort react with calm, composure, and reason instead of anxiety or anger. Each small act of self-imposed challenge compounds into confidence, emotional stability, and unbreakable focus, making you prepared for unpredictability without losing control. Start today with one small act that tests your tolerance, observe your response, and grow stronger. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I embrace discomfort. Number 5. Limit input. Constant stimulation from endless notifications, social media feeds, and unfiltered information overwhelms the mind, scattering attention and leaving little space for reflection, creativity, or disciplined action. And yet most people mistake busyness for productivity, assuming that consuming more leads to doing more. The Stoics warned against this mental clutter, recognizing that depth and clarity come from selective engagement, thoughtful focus, and intentional restraint. Epictetus taught, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control," reminding us that much of what floods our attention is unnecessary, irrelevant, or distracting. By deliberately limiting input, reducing noise, reading selectively, and observing silence, the mind conserves energy, sharpens judgment, and becomes capable of prioritizing what truly matters. Endless scrolling, unfiltered content, and compulsive information consumption act like small leaks, draining mental strength and leaving the will fragmented and reactive. Choose quality over quantity, depth over surface, and reflection over impulse. Each moment reclaimed from meaningless consumption can be invested in focused action, self-improvement, or disciplined practice. The clearer the mind, the more unshakable focus becomes, and every decision gains weight and precision. Start by observing one habit of overconsumption today. Replace it with intentional attention and notice the mental space it creates. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I control my input. Number 6. Remember, life is short. Time is the most valuable resource you will ever have, yet most people waste it chasing trivial distractions, postponing important tasks, or surrendering their energy to endless scrolling, idle conversations, and meaningless entertainment. Life is finite, fragile, and unpredictable, and every moment spent unfocused is a moment lost forever. The Stoics called this memento mori, remembering mortality to inspire action and clarity. Seneca wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it," reminding us that awareness of impermanence sharpens priorities, strengthens focus, and fuels discipline. When you internalize the brevity of existence, distractions lose their appeal, procrastination becomes unacceptable, and trivial anxieties fade. Every decision, interaction, and habit should be measured against the reality that your time is limited. Commit to living intentionally, allocating attention to tasks that advance your growth, relationships that matter, and experiences that enrich the mind. Choose depth over superficiality, action over hesitation, and purpose over indulgence. Each day is an opportunity to reclaim your life from distraction and build unbreakable focus. Reflect on your actions now, prioritize what matters, and act decisively. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I value my time. Number 7. Live by principles, not moods. Emotions are fleeting. They surge, fade, and often deceive, convincing you to act impulsively, chase comfort, or avoid responsibility. True focus and discipline do not rely on feeling motivated, inspired, or calm. They rely on principles that guide your choices regardless of internal fluctuations. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength," emphasizing that internal rules anchor your actions, while moods drift like clouds. Living by principles means deciding in advance what matters, what aligns with your long-term goals, and what reflects your character. It means showing up even when tired, staying committed when frustrated, and prioritizing what is important even when you don't feel like it. Principles create consistency, protect against distraction, and transform discipline into identity. When external chaos strikes or your mind wavers, the compass of principles keeps you steady, ensuring you act with reason, integrity, and purpose. This mindset is the foundation for unbreakable focus, mental clarity, and emotional resilience. Every decision becomes deliberate, every action intentional, and every day a step toward mastery of self. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I act with principles. Number 8. Reclaim your attention. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Every day, countless distractions compete for it. Notifications, news, social media, random thoughts, and other people's demands. Allowing your focus to scatter is giving away your power, quietly eroding your clarity, productivity, and peace of mind. Seneca reminded us, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it," highlighting that wasted attention equals wasted life. Reclaiming focus means taking deliberate ownership of what you let occupy your mind. It requires cutting out unnecessary noise, eliminating meaningless tasks, and setting clear boundaries for yourself. Observe where your energy drifts, recognize the patterns of distraction, and redirect effort toward meaningful action. When you control attention, even the busiest days become manageable, and mental clarity becomes habitual rather than occasional. This practice transforms ordinary routines into purposeful steps, turning scattered energy into concentrated power. Attention reclaimed is freedom gained. Your mind becomes unshakable, and your actions align with intention rather than impulse. Every pause, every deliberate choice strengthens this control. I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I reclaim my attention. Emotional discipline and unbreakable focus aren't about forcing yourself or pretending to be perfect. They're about building control over your mind, step by step, habit by habit. When you train your attention, every task becomes deliberate, every action purposeful, and every decision aligned with your values. The 8 Stoic habits we explored: control what you can, focus on one thing at a time, remove urgency, embrace discomfort, limit input, remember life is short, live by principles, and reclaim your attention are not abstract ideas. They are practical tools to destroy distraction, sharpen clarity, and cultivate mental strength. Start small today. Pause once before reacting. Focus fully on one task. Face a challenge you've been avoiding. Limit unnecessary noise. Remind yourself of your principles. Reclaim a moment of undivided attention. Each action compounds into unshakable focus. Your mind can become your greatest weapon if you commit. Drop this affirmation in the comments. I control my focus. If this video empowered you, like it, share it with someone struggling with distraction, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom.